In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily download and set up NordVPN in your mobile device. Click on your Play Store and search for NordVPN. Click on this and click Install. After installing it, just simply wait for this and then click Open. And now you're in the NordVPN application. Swipe on this and then click Sign Up. Click on the Sign Up button again and wait for this loading screen. After this loading screen, you will be introduced in choosing what emailing services you prefer to sign up your account. As you can see here, I chose Google. And just simply choose a Google account you want to use. And there we go. Just simply click on the Continue button and wait again. You have created a Nord account successfully. As you can see here, we are introduced into their trial plan for free and other options to choose from. Just simply click this free plan and wait for the payment screen. Click on the subscribe. Just wait for this process and it's now successful. Just wait for this process screen because it needs the confirmation that we actually paid for their service. Just simply click on the Get Started button. After opening the application, we can explore the MeshNet interface, notifications interface, and our profile interface. So get back into the home section and simply click the Quick Connect and click OK. NordVPN has selected the safest and the best server for our device to protect our network. And as you can see here, there are different options of servers to connect from. So that's it. Thank you for listening.